purple to one white. So it only takes one capital letter, since it's dominant. The white seems to disappear. Okay, so this explains the ratios that Mendel found, 3/4 to 1/4, or you could also call it 3 to 1. There's different ways to write it. Okay, so by doing these experiments, he began to understand what alleles are, which is 2 different forms of the same gene, even though he didn't know what a gene was. And one of them comes through your mother, and one of them comes through your father, even though he didn't know what chromosomes were. You know, he still figured it out. And then Platt came along and explained mathematically, like, how you know this, what you know about the characteristics of the offspring. Okay, so I got another couple of words to tell you about. Okay. Okay, we know what dominant and recessive are. Okay, we know what the alleles are. Okay, we can also talk about these different conditions. We can talk about the genotype and the phenotype. So the genotype means what the actual alleles are. You know, if we had some way of knowing that. And then what phenotype means is what you can see, what can be observed. So there's actually two phenotypes that have the same phenotype. In other words, this one right here, this is the genotype. These are all white. So the phenotype that goes with this phenotype is the same, all white. On the other hand, if you have this or this, the result is purple. So sometimes you can't tell the genotype. You only know the phenotype, which is what they look like. And that was Mendel's problem in F1. He didn't really know that there was a lowercase. All right, so that's a couple of words. And then there's another couple of words to go with this. And anyway, one of them is called homozygous. And that means that both of the alleles are the same. Like these are the purebred plants we started with. Both alleles capital or both alleles lowercase. Okay? The other one is called heterozygous, which means that the alleles are different. And that's the F1 generation that got one capital from one parent and one lowercase from the other. Okay, so those are the ideas I want to just get across today. And then I want to say that what we're doing is chapter 10 about genetics. Then we're going to do chapter 11 about human genetics. And then we're going to jump all the way over to chapter 39, everybody's favorite chapter, which is about sex. You've been waiting for us to talk about this, right? Okay, so meiosis and genetics have something to do with sex, and why sexual reproduction is so important. So that's what we're going to do after we do chapter 10 and 11. What? You make some kind of noise closing your books up or something? Now, don't close your books up while I'm still talking. You know, don't pick up your backpack. You know, people do that, but class is not really over yet, right? So I need to tell you something right here at the end of the day. I need to tell you what you need to do for next time I see you. So the next time I see you, well, I got to tell you when that's going to be, okay? Because I'm only going to be here. I'm only having the DVD shown on Wednesday and Thursday. So in my Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, there will be no class on Friday the 17th. Yay! A week from last Friday. Okay, so we're not going to have class on that day. And so let's see. I try to make sure y'all know what's going on, you know, in the class, so you'll know what to do for the next class. Sydney, are you sleeping in class? Now, Nathan, don't do that. Sydney, are you sleeping in class? No, don't make her while she's asleep. That's not nice. Okay?
No, I was thinking.
You looked like you were sleeping. You were snoring and everything.
No, I was thinking of my eyes closed.
Oh, sure, yeah. Let's don't do that in class now. Even at the end when we're bored by genetics, let's don't do that. Okay, so remember, this is exciting, right? No class for the Friday classes next Friday, which is the 17th. Okay, another thing I want to remind y'all about is the chart that you're supposed to be working on. That chart that I gave you is due the next time class meets. I don't really want you to put it on my desk when you come in. I want you to hold on to it because we're going to talk about what we put on our chart and what all that means. And we'll talk about different things that are inherited in humans. Okay, so that pretty much brings us to the end. Oh, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Homecoming is on Saturday, the 18th. Okay, on Saturday the 18th. And I want to show y'all what the homecoming t-shirt looks like. So you can buy a t-shirt, and it supports the cheerleaders on the main campus. This is the front of it. This is the back. And the theme this year is Jamaica Me Crazy. So Jamaica me crazy sometimes, but I try to, endure what some of you students do in class, okay? So, let's see, the only thing I've got left to do is to introduce all the people that helped with this, okay? So all of y'all that participated in the forming of this video, this DVD, y'all come up here. Come up here, everybody come up here. Okay, can we all get in the screen together? Let's see, we look at the monitor. Okay, come on here, Nathan. Okay, get in here. I'll get out of the way. Okay, so these are the members of the Green Club that helped make the DVD. And I tell you what, I'll just say your names. When I say your name, you can go sit down so they know who you are. Okay, this is Nathan Baker. Thank you, David. This is, let's see, Holly Hunter. Okay. And let's see, tell me your name. This is Melody. Stamps. I'm sorry, I thought I had her last name wrong. So this is Holly Hunter. You can go sit down. This is Melody Stamps, Sydney Westmoreland, and Jennifer Riddle. Okay? And thanks to the Green Club, let's give them a round of applause. Y'all did a great job. And now I guess we need to go out with a little bit of music. So let's see. Okay, so let's see. Let me get my stuff back together. Oh yeah, there's that song again. So y'all want to come up here? Any of y'all that want to come up? Show us what you can do. Show me what you got. Oh, come on, Nathan. I know you will. I got to get my order. Y'all have a good weekend, too. Was that the whole thing? I don't know why you're asking that question. Yes, it is. You're done. Thank y'all. What? You're not ready to leave yet? Hello. He's not ready to leave yet. He thought we were having a meeting. Don't worry, we'll come back in the room and have a meeting. We can do that. Our meetings are every Friday in room 303 at the Southern Center.